everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my Monday video. I am trying quite a few things on my face for my What's New Wednesday, but we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of this month. Anything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. So that is the theme for this month, and we're going to kind of relate our Motivation Monday to that information. So before we jump into that, let's talk about the products that we got. So the first thing I have in here is the Tarte Quench. This is the Quench Primer. Full size cost is $32. It says, whether you're going for a full beat or a natural look, this lightweight and super effective primer will make sure your hard work doesn't fade. It'll help your foundation last longer and keep your skin hydrated for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and marine plant extracts. Pea size amount on nose, forehead, cheeks, chin, blend. I am interested to try this. I do always look for a hydrating primer, but I do want one that blurs as well. My face tends to be a little bit dry. Oh, and it is sealed. Oh, I just love that. I love the seals. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love the seals. Let's drop a little bit out on the hand there. So just a small amount. It is kind of a white greenish color, very similar to that tealy color on the outside of this bottle. Smells a little florally, a little alcohol-y. It is pretty thick there. We're going to go ahead and just rub this in. Yeah, definitely florally, perfumey. It is very lightweight. It does feel moisturizing. I don't know how long or how it will keep makeup wear on, but definitely something that I'm interested in trying. The next product that I have in here is the Glam Glow mask. And so this mask from Glam Glow is the Super Mud Instant Clearing Treatment Mask. This mask is bestseller for good reasons. Wow, that doesn't even sound like English, sorry. The super powered formula, it's ideal for natural, combo, and acne-prone skins, uses charcoal to absorb dirt. Wow. Uses charcoal to absorb dirt and buildup, exfoliating acids to nix dead skin cells, and eucalyptus leaf extract to balance oil. Feeling a little bit of a tingle? No prob. It's a sign the mask is working. Retail value is $60. This is obviously a very small size. You might get one use from this. So I do think, oh, it's a seal again. Haha, I love it. I do think it could have been just a little bit more generous on the product size here. I'm going to put it in the same place here. It's a primer, I understand. And this is not even full. Definitely only one use. That is absolutely charcoal colored. You can see that dark color on there. And of course you would just spread it out, leave it on, and then wipe it off when you're done. Definitely smells like eucalyptus there. You can smell it. I'm going to leave it there while we're working through and let it dry on my hand and wipe it off and just see what happens. So while we're talking about this Stay Golden, talking about let the world see your shine, I do think over the past year and a half, we have been so challenged with such a change to everything we do, how we live our lives, and even going forward. I have quite a few people who are now permanently working from home, and just the whole structure of their life has changed. I feel like sometimes when that happens, we tend to, or I tend, we'll talk about me, I tend to become a little more lazy. Lazy is not the right word, but less motivated to look good, to put on makeup, to do those kind of things. Fortunately for me, I do work in healthcare, so I've been working through the whole pandemic, although not always full days when we were in the full throes of COVID. So every day I've been getting up and getting dressed and ready for work. But for those of you that are working from home, I do think that getting dressed, putting on makeup, doing your hair, even if it just takes a few minutes to do, helps me, when I do it, feel so much better. I do think it changes your perspective and changes your attitude. Because I do work in healthcare, I do encourage all of my patients to get up and put real clothes on every day so that they get out of the mindset of, oh, this is a hospital, this is this or this is that. No, you're here to get better. Let's work on getting our routines in place and really feeling good, because when you feel good, then everyone else can see and you do shine to the world. You know, I do think a lot is attitude and how we talk to ourselves in our head as well. And I am a big proponent of talking to yourself in a kind way. You know, certainly we have to hold ourselves accountable where we need to. I'm not saying, you know, sugarcoat everything. Please don't get that wrong. But I do think we can do that in a kind way so that we are not so hard on ourselves, so that we love where we're at while we're improving to get to where we want to be. So I definitely think being positive, letting our light shine, enjoying sharing with other people where we're at and what's going on is a wonderful, wonderful thing. And that is my little Motivation Monday drop for today. Let your light shine. Let everyone see the beautifulness that is you while we're working on whatever we want. There you go. So let's go ahead and jump into the next product. We are fully packaged here, so I'm not quite sure what this is. Let's rip it open and see. This is the, oh, jeepers creepers. This is Hip Dot. Let's open it up and wow, okay. I can't tell if that's a blush or a highlight. It's supposed to be a blush. It is a single blush in Solstice. Soft, blendable, buildable, and made without potentially harmful ingredients like parabens or phthalates. This versatile blush checks all the right boxes. The universal flattering soft peach shade instantly perks up your complexion too. Use a makeup brush to swirl the pigments onto your apples of your cheeks. Full size is $24. We did not get a full size. This is just a deluxe sample. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my arm. This feels like it would be so light, and it is. It is a very, very, very light color. Certainly they did say it's buildable, so let's swatch it right in that same place. And it is a little bit, I do think for fair skin this would work really well, but for anyone who has darker skin, I don't know that this is going to show up much. I don't know if it will even show up for me, but we'll certainly try it. It doesn't smell like anything, so that's always a good thing. And my last, second to last, also in a very tight package thing, is the Shades by Shane eyeshadow duo in Honey Peach and Tangerine. Again, very, very light. It says this mini but mighty eyeshadow duo is perfect for decking out your lids, crease, and lower lash line. The shimmering champagne, rose, and matte orange shades are richly pigmented, ultra blendable, and can be used to create an array of eye looks that transition from day to night. Retail value is $12. We got a deluxe sample here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. This is the matte shade, and I'm going to swatch it underneath that blush. You can kind of see it. I don't know that it looks like an orange. And then this is the shimmery shade. We're going to swatch it underneath that. The shimmery shade is pretty, although very, very light. This is very light as well. I don't know that you could make a ton of eye looks with this, but certainly a nice adjunct to whatever you have. We'll have to try that out. And then, of course, the very last thing here is a brush by MOTD Cosmetics, the Lighting Crew brush. We've finally found it, a makeup brush that applies highlighter so well. It's literally like having your own lighting crew. Used to blend, diffuse, and press on loose or pressed pigments with zero streaks or cakiness. Retail value $15. Of course, this is a full size. It is fairly soft, and I do really like these type of brushes for highlight because they can pack it on. I will say though, if you're not a bling highlight lover, this may be a little too dense for you, but it is beautiful to get it right there. And you can see this is the Pixie. I'm using that Pixie product again, which I really enjoy. At any rate, nice brush. It's okay. It's okay. That is my box for bag for this month for Ipsy July. What did you guys think about the bag? It was okay. It was okay. Again, this is the $15, I think 15, 13 right in through their dollar bag. It comes with all sample sizes. Occasionally you will get a full size. Those kind of things are nice. Definitely worth the value. I do like that I got all makeup products this month, which I appreciate. I don't know that I could do a full look with this, but definitely could do quite a few things. So I'm excited about the Tarte. We'll try that. I'll update you guys about that. What do you guys think? What did you guys get in your bag? I know there's tons of variation, so drop me a line. Let me know what you got or what you're loving. I am so happy that you're here with me. Thank you for joining me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.